Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by powering the camera off and removing the battery to avoid short circuits. This protects the electronics. Next, find the SIM slot. It may sit beside the memory card or inside the battery compartment, because location determines how you open it. Make sure you know the SIM size required. Manufacturers use standard, micro, or nano formats, so use an adapter if the card is smaller. Once done, align the camera so you can work steadily and avoid bending the SIM while handling. You now align the SIM with the camera's contact side down or as shown by the icon. Correct orientation matters because misalignment prevents detection. Gently slide the SIM into the tray or slot until you feel a light click. Forcing it can damage the pins or the card. If the camera uses a hinged tray, close it flush. Then replace the battery and close the compartment so the camera has power to recognize the SIM when you boot it up. This step readies the device for configuration. You finish by powering the camera on and navigating to the connectivity or storage settings to confirm the SIM is recognized. This verifies successful insertion. If the SIM is not detected, power down, remove the SIM, inspect the slot for dust or bent pins, and reinsert carefully. Cleanliness and pin alignment matter. If problems persist, test with a different known good SIM to determine if the issue is the card or the camera. Once detected, make any required network or format changes and resume shooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.